Krones is introducing a new solution that completes the final link in its fully integrated PET value chain. With this system, customers can produce their own preforms and either feed them directly into production or store them for later use. The process begins with the Prefero injection molding machine. Developed in close collaboration with Krones subsidiaries MHT and Netstal. This machine produces PET preforms from virgin, recycled or blended material and achieves an output of up to 120,000 preforms per hour. In standard operation, the preforms are transferred directly to the blow molder and integrated into the production line. A buffer hopper is included to compensate for minor production interruptions. Alternatively, preforms can be routed into storage. At the heart of the system is Prenexo, an intelligent transport and control system that links all components and ensures seamless communication between machines. The system continuously adapts to changing production conditions and automatically switches between operating modes. At the start of production, when the blow molder is still heating up, the system initially fills the buffer hopper with preforms. Once the target level is reached, Prenexo redirects the flow directly to the blow molder. If production is temporarily halted, for example due to a changeover or cleaning, preform production can continue uninterrupted. In this case, preforms are first routed into the buffer and then into storage containers. Integrated level sensors even enable automated removal by AGVs. Should the injection molding machine experience a fault, the buffer compensates temporarily. If additional supply is needed, preforms are automatically retrieved from storage via a tipper. To maintain product integrity, batches with different colors or material compositions are kept separate. The system also allows for flexible distribution of preforms between production and storage, depending on demand. It's even possible to begin producing a new preform type for storage, while the previous type continues to feed production via the buffer. At the end of a production run, any remaining preforms in the buffer can be transferred to storage. Throughout the process, preform quality is continuously monitored, both in the injection molding and blow molding stages. Defective batches are automatically rejected, and process parameters are adjusted in real time to ensure consistent quality.